This is the inside of a cheap air compressor that broke. The inflator end just broke off, so now the whole thing's useless. So I might as well show what is inside the cheap kind of air compressor. Alright, let's try out the light. Let's give it some voltage. There you go, about 12 volts. Light works. Let's try turning on the compressor. I'm not sure if this 3 amp power supply is going to be able to power it, but we'll try it anyway. Whoa, it works. Dims the light quite a bit because the power supplies cannot provide much amperage. But let's get a close-up. We have the cylinder, the motor, some gears, things like that. But what I really think we need is more power. This power supply is a switching power supply. The other one's a linear supply, so with this switching supply, if you hear any high-frequency switching noises, that's what it is. This thing gets loud, so prepare your ears. Let's see if we can get some better sounds going. Some low-speed rhythmic sounds. Let's see. Oh. I managed to get the head of the cylinder off so we can see inside. The only thing holding this cylinder in place is my thumb, so let's watch it work. Okay, that's too much vibration. And that's the piston. It does have a counterweight, I can't believe it.